Hello guys, and welcome to episode number 25, where we'll be solving 5 more SQL problems, this time from Spotify. So let's get started with problem number 1 right here. We have to find songs that have more than 3 million streams. This is a filter, 3 million streams. We have to output track name, artist, and the number of streams. Then lastly, we have to sort the records based on streams in descending order. We have one filter, we have to output 3 columns, and we have to do one order by. So let's get started with this. Let's write here track name. We're going to use the track name, artist, and then the number of streams. This one we will aggregate the number of streams right here. I'm going to say track name, artist, and then we're going to say more than 3 million streams. Actually, we don't have to aggregate. We're going to use it as a filter. Where streams more than 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That would be 3 million. Then lastly, we have to order by streams descending. That should be the solution. Let's check it out. Everything seems to be fine. It seems like in this data set, Kendrick Lamar is absolutely dominating. A quick recap, we want to show the track name, the artist, and the total number of streams. But we only want to show streams over 3 million. Then we want to order them from the highest to the smallest. Problem number 2. Find how many times each artist, this is a group by, how many times this sounds like a count or a sum appeared on Spotify ranking list. Now Spotify here, you could say could be like a filter, but if we look here, we have Spotify, the company Spotify, definitely not a filter. We have to output the artist name, number of occurrences. So we have 2 columns. Then we have to order by number of occurrences descending. We have 2 columns. The name of the artist, we have a group by, okay, easy, artist. Then we have to figure out this one, how many times appeared on the ranking list. Let's say first the group by artist, order by, now this count is probably just a count, yeah, how many times, say appearances, let's call it appearances. This should be the final result, and there it is. So a quick recap here, for every artist, we are finding the total number of appearances in the table. And then we are simply sorting based on that count of appearances from the highest to the smallest. Problem number 3, find the details. Usually details means we have to do the asterisk of Oscar winners. Sounds like a filter between these years, definitely a filter. We have 2 filters, and then details, we have all of the columns, 2 filters. So we're going to keep the asterisk here. We're going to add our 2 filters. Now let's check the columns right here. We're going to use this one. This is a Boolean. So we're going to check if it's true or 1. And then we are going to use the year here. We're going to say winner and year between 2001 and 2009. That should be the answer. And there we are. Everything is fine. Now right here, you might be a bit confused why we just wrote like winner. And why does it work? Well, if we... Actually, I'm going to say like this. This one, I'm just going to do it like this. It's still going to work. But here, if we write winner like this, or we say winner equals with 1, it's the same thing. Or we say winner equals with true. Now this one, I don't know if it's going to work. Okay, this one works as well. Because right here, our data type is Boolean, this can either be true, false, 1, 0. And here, since we don't write, the reason why this works is because it basically says where winner is true. It's the same as this, or 1 or true. Now, if we put exclamation mark, that would say where winner is not true. So you're going to see here on the list, well, we're going to get wrong solution. Where's our list? We're going to get with 0. We're going to get all of the zeros. This is better. If we write it like this, exclamation mark winner, it means give me all the false values. And here, give me all the true values. So either of these is correct, but this is just simpler, shorter. You don't have to write all of this. It's not necessary. Problem number 4, find the best publishers. Now that's, we don't know what that means, best publishers. On total, say based on total sales aggregation here, sum. Each publisher, another aggregation, based or group by per publisher. And we have to output the publisher alongside the total sales. 2 columns. Then we have to order them based on sales descending. So we have publishers and total sales. Let's write that. Publisher, for every publisher, give me the sum of, let's check out which column here. We have to do sales. Now there's nothing here indicating that this is sales. It also says here charts. There's no sales here. But since they are talking about numbers, it means probably that these integers here, the week, the weekly, and total must mean sales. We only really care about the sales here, the total. So we're going to say sum total and rename it total sales. We're going to group by publisher, and we're going to order by total sales descending. That should be the answer. And there we go. Seems like EA is dominating, then THQ, Red Octane, Nintendo, and so on. Quick recap for every publisher right here. For every publisher, we want to find the total sales. And then we just want to show them based on total sales from the highest to the smallest. Very simple. And problem number 5, guys, the last one for today. Find the genres that yield the highest sales. This sounds identical so far. Output the genre alongside total sales. Okay, 2 columns again. Order based on total sales. Okay. As you can see, this is identical, just that instead of genre here, we had, what did we have? We had publisher. So we're literally going to copy and paste everything and just replace here genre. This is kind of a sad exercise. It's literally the same, just change one word. Seems the shooter games are doing great. Quick recap for every genre here. We are summing up the total column to get the total sales. Then we just want to show them based on the total sales in descending order. That was it for today, guys. A very short one again. Pretty simple problems. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy these kinds of problems, I highly encourage you to join the StrataScratch community. Consider using the affiliate link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.